Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin representing Team Paul Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to do the up-down sideways figure eight. So one thing that you want to make sure that you have before you try out this move is just the regular sideways figure eight. So it feels just like a backwards figure eight, but what you're going to do, instead of going straight to the back, you're going to actually turn your hand inwards just like so, so it's going to the side. Now, once you have one hand down, you want to try to do the other hand. So you want to try to get this hand to be able to go up, down, going inwards. So once you have that down, you want to try to do the opposite. So now instead of coming in, you're going to go out. So it's going to come down, out, just like so. And once you have that, try to go on the other hand. Boom. Now, there's a lot of different variations that you can do just with having these 4 options of the sideways figure eight. The first one that you can do is the double inward figure eight. So, just like this. But now what you're going to do, you're going to do it at the same time, but when one chuck is up, the other chuck is going to be down, and you're going to flip back and forth. So, it's going to look like this. Boom. Now, the main thing to remember while you're doing this is to break up the timing. So one chuck has to start first, and then as it comes down, that's when the other chuck starts. So they're both going inwards. They're both doing the same exact spin, but they're just on opposite ends of the spin. So that's one variation that you can do with it. Another variation is to have both chucks spinning in the same direction. So instead of both coming in, you can have both chucks, let's say, going to the left. So now this chuck with the left hand is going to feel like it's going outwards, and the right hand is going to feel like it's going inwards. You bring them together, and it looks like this. So you can obviously do this one on both sides as well. And if you want to try another variation, you can do the outwards figure eight. So instead of coming inwards, like the first one, you can go outwards, like so. So they all take a little bit of time to get. They're a little bit tricky at first, but once you get these down, it's going to help you out with all different types of strikes because you're really training your brain to do different things with your hands. So it's going to help you out with all of your nunchuck moves, and there's some pretty cool strikes to have. So hope you guys enjoyed. So there we go. That is the sideways figure eight.